Welcome, my name is Jordi Drieman and today I will take you on a tour through our 3D portfolio. With a long history and expertise in the 2D inkjet printing, it was a logical step for Mimaki to develop a 3D printing solution. And so we launched our first 3D printer in 2017, the Mimaki UJ553. It's the world's first and only 3D printer that's capable of printing over 10 million colors. With this industrial build, the 3D UJ553 delivers a very high uptime and is capable of doing print jobs for many days non-stop. Here we have some 3D printed medical models. This is how it looks when they come straight out of the printer. The white part is our water-soluble support material. Once the support material is removed, you have a complete full-colored 3D model. If you want to go a step further and get more transparency in your model, it's possible to polish or sand your 3D model and apply a coating. You will get an end result like this. Let's go to our biggest 3D machine, the 3D GD 1800. This one is having 2 print heads and employs gel dispensing technology. It can print really fast, up to 1.8 meters high in just 7 hours. As you can see, this machine doesn't print any color. We often combine it with our 2D technology to create eye-catching signs and displays. This one, for example, is printed on our 3D GD 1800 and then is wrapped with a print that's printed on one of our solvent printers. I just want to inform you that Mimaki introduced a new 3D printer, the Mimaki 3D UJ2207. It's smaller in size, but it still delivers the high quality, as you know from Mimaki, with over 10 million colors. As soon as we have this machine in our showroom, we will do an unboxing video. So stay tuned and please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.